Today I want to show you the upgrades I made for the Einhell Bandsaw TC-SB 305U. The first thing I built was this screw, this updated screw, so that I can open the upper and lower compartment without a wrench. And also the screws were unnecessarily long, so I shortened them so that it just takes a few turns to open the compartment. I did the same thing on the lower side. And yeah, if I want to change the saw bend, it's very easy now. Second thing is that the original saw guard is really crappy, because it uses these metal bolts and makes a lot of noise, is very bad to adjust, and it was almost impossible to make a straight cut with the original guard. So I 3D printed the guard, and it uses 3 ball bearings, 2 on the side and 1 on the back. It's completely adjustable in all 3 axes, and yeah, it works really well. It took me some iterations. I can show you the other prototypes. I also rebuilt the lower guard, which uses almost the same system, with 3 ball bearings on all 3 axes, and on the side I made a small window so that I can see the exact gap between the ball bearing and the saw bend. The third thing that I realized is that this whole upper part was lightly bended, so I put these massive steel bars there to reinforce it with big M8 screws. So if I cut big pieces, it doesn't move at all. Now I can make really straight and long cuts. So this was the original guard. This was the first prototype with really small ball bearings, but I wasn't satisfied with the small ball bearings. So I made a bigger version for the 19mm ball bearings, and they work really great. The difference between the prototypes and now the final is just that the original protection cover fits better on this part. And also the lower guard, this is the original part. Yeah, this is the prototype for the lower guard. This is still missing the window so that you can better adjust it, but otherwise it worked. Bottom part, and I will assemble it now. With this I can adjust the back position, and with these two I can adjust the saw guard for left and right. I use the original mounting holes. on the side I made this little window so that I can look exactly how it is positioned. Perfect. And finally the protection cover. So I hope this video will help you also to improve U Bandsaw. I will put the STL files of the 3D printed part on Thingiverse so you can print them at home.